Choosing the best CFA prep course is a big decision, and I don't say that dramatically. The CFA exam is not the kind of exam where you casually skim some notes, do a few practice questions, and hope the finance gods are feeling generous on exam day. You're going to be spending roughly 300 hours per exam level for a total of 900, assuming you follow the CFA Institute guidelines. So when you choose a CFA prep course, you're not just buying study materials, you're choosing the platform that will shape nearly 1,000 hours of your life. That means the course needs to fit how you learn, whether you prefer to learn through practice, video lessons, or live classes. So today I'm breaking down the best CFA prep courses, what each one does well, who each course is best for, what I noticed when I tested them, and how to choose the best fit for your needs. We'll cover UWorld, best overall, AnalystPrep, best for video lessons and affordable practice, Kaplan Schweser, best for comprehensive coverage, Solutions, best for streamlined study, and Meldrum, best for lecture-driven learners. Let's start with my top pick. My number one overall CFA prep course, UWorld CFA Review. UWorld is a course I'd recommend to most CFA candidates because it has a strong mix of practice questions, explanations, study tools, performance tracking, and mobile access. Right away, I was impressed by the question review experience. The QBank felt clean and realistic, but the real value was in the explanations. After each question, the answer just didn't break down and say, this is correct because the formula says so. The explanations were long, often several hundred words, sometimes with pictures and graphs, and always clear enough that I could actually learn from my mistakes. And that matters a lot for CFA prep. Because with this exam, practice questions aren't just for checking whether you get it. They're part of how you learn the material. You're going to forget formulas, mix up concepts, and trip over tricky wording. The best question bank is the one that helps you understand why you missed something so you don't repeat the same mistake 40 times. UWorld's explanations were especially helpful for formulas and conceptual topics because they broke things down in a way that felt usable. The visuals and step-by-step logic made the review process feel more productive than just reading another dense paragraph. I also liked the mobile experience. That may sound small, but CFA candidates need flexibility. You may not always have a perfect 2-hour desk session. Sometimes you've got like 20 minutes during lunch or 15 minutes on a train or a small pocket of time before a meeting. UWorld's app made it easy to keep studying without feeling like the platform was fighting me. I could move between devices, keep progress synced, and use smaller pockets of time without restarting my whole study flow. So that's one of the reasons I think UWorld fits modern CFA candidates well. It feels built for people who are studying while already living a full life. UWorld also offers different package levels, so you're not locked into one expensive plan. The basic package gives you the core tools, while higher tiers add more support, video content, flashcards, boot camps, live Q&A, or access extensions depending on the package. Across all 3 levels, there are hundreds of expert-led video lectures, more than 5,000 exam-style practice questions, mock exams, concise study guides, smart tools, cross-device access, and performance analytics. The main downside is that UWorld doesn't have the same lifetime access angle that AnalystPrep offers in its unlimited package. So if you're worried about needing a very long study runway, package length is something to check carefully before buying. But overall, UWorld is my number one pick because it checks the most boxes for the most people. It has exam quality practice questions, thorough explanations, a helpful mobile app, and a structure that really works. Bottom line, pick UWorld if you want the best overall CFA prep course, especially if you care about high quality practice questions, clear explanations, and being able to study smoothly across devices. Next is AnalystPrep, and I call this one of the best options for candidates who want affordable CFA prep with strong videos and a lot of practice. When I tested AnalystPrep, it felt more straightforward than some of the bigger, heavier platforms. Not every CFA candidate wants a giant dashboard with a million buttons, add-ons, widgets, live sessions, progress tiles, and bonus features that they'll never touch. Some people just want clear study notes, useful videos, a strong question bank, mock exams, and the ability to build quizzes around weak areas. That's exactly where AnalystPrep really shines. The video lessons were the first major strength. They were easy to follow and direct enough that I didn't feel like I was sitting through unnecessary fluff. And Professor James Fjorn was great. He had a sense of humor and he talked like a person, not a textbook, which made it easier to stay focused. The practice tools were also strong. AnalystPrep offers a large CFA question bank across 3 levels, mock exams, concise notes, and performance tracking. Plus, the unlimited CFA package has lifetime access to study materials for levels 1, 2, and 3, which can be a major value point for candidates planning to move through the full program over several years. That lifetime access angle is one of AnalystPrep's biggest advantages because let's be honest, CFA timelines don't always go perfectly. People defer, people retake, people pass one level and then need time before the next. Life happens, so having an option that doesn't make you panic about access expiring can be a real relief. I also like that AnalystPrep made custom quizzes simple. Everyone knows that targeted practice is one of the best ways to improve, and AnalystPrep makes that simple. Once you know you're weak in a specific area, you don't always need a full mock exam. Sometimes you just need 20 focus questions on one topic, then a review session where you actually learn from the misses. The dashboard also didn't feel overcomplicated. It was more, here are the tools, go study, which can be refreshing. Now, the downside is that AnalystPrep isn't as premium feeling as UWorld or as historically dominant as Kaplan Schweser. It also doesn't have the same level of live instruction that some candidates may want. So if you need a highly guided classroom experience, AnalystPrep may not be the best fit. But for self-motivated students, it offers a very strong combination of value, videos, questions, mock exams, and long-term access. Bottom line, pick AnalystPrep if you want strong video lessons, a lot of practice, simple tools, and good value without paying premium provider prices. Now, let's talk about Kaplan Schweser. Kaplan Schweser is one of the biggest names in CFA prep, and for good reason. This is the course I'd recommend to candidates who want the most comprehensive, all-in-one study experience and don't mind paying more for it. The biggest takeaway I had from Kaplan was how reliable and complete the entire process felt. The Schweser notes are a major part of that. They take the CFA curriculum and turn it into a more manageable study format, quick and easy notes with mnemonics and tips for better memorization. Because the official curriculum is enormous. Schweser's strength is helping you move through the curriculum in a more organized, exam-focused way. The QBank is also strong and the mock exams felt polished. Kaplan Schweser's packages also include a personalized study plan, concise study notes, thousands of practice questions, mock exams, and pass protection. That level of structure is valuable if you're the kind of candidate who wants everything in one place. Notes, questions, mocks, videos, study plan, review tools, final review resources, community or instructor support, and higher packages. Schweser is built for candidates who want a full system. Another strength is flexibility. Depending on the package, Kaplan offers self-paced, live online, and hybrid style options. Not everyone learns the same way, so it was nice to be able to choose what best fit my mood each day. Schweser also has add-ons like secret sauce and higher packages, which can be useful for final review. The idea isn't to replace your actual studying, but to give you a condensed review tool when you're closer to exam day and need the high yield points pulled together. Now, the main downside is price. Kaplan Schweser is not usually the cheapest route, and it can also feel like a lot. That's the trade-off with comprehensive courses. You get more resources, but you also have to be disciplined enough to use them and keep the overwhelm at bay. A giant study package can make you feel safer, but only if you actually know how to use it. Otherwise, you may end up with notes, videos, mocks, workshops, question banks, flashcards, and a final review tools that still feel behind because you're trying to do everything. So I'd recommend Schweser for candidates who want a premium structured course and are willing to follow the plan. It's also a good fit if you want a trusted CFA prep brand with a long history in space. Bottom line, pick Kaplan Schweser if you want comprehensive coverage, structured materials, strong mock exams, and a full prep ecosystem. Next is SALT Solutions, which I'd call the best option for streamlined studying. SALT is lighter than Kaplan Schweser and less intense than some of the huge content platforms. And that's the point. The course seems to be built around short, manageable lessons and a cleaner study rhythm. Shorter videos, a simple platform, and tools designed to keep you moving. That can be helpful for CFA candidates who get overwhelmed by massive prep libraries. Some people don't need more materials. They need less friction. A platform that says, here's what to do next. Watch the shorter lesson, do these questions, check your progress, keep going. SALT's checkpoint style pacing and custom quiz tools help with that. The official SALT Solutions site describes the platform as an all-in-one CFA learning experience with topic study information, assignment questions, review materials, practice exams, and a custom quiz builder. The custom quiz builder lets you focus on weak areas without digging through a giant textbook or overcomplicating the session. That makes SALT useful for candidates who want efficient review and steady progress. The shorter video format is also a good fit for busy candidates. A 10 or 15-minute lesson is easier to fit into a normal day than a long lecture that requires a perfect study setup. And for some learners, shorter lessons are just more effective. You can watch, practice, review, and move on before your brain checks out. But SALT does have limitations. It isn't as comprehensive as the competitors higher up in this list, with lower practice volume and shorter answer explanations. So I'd be careful about choosing SALT as your main course if you know that you want depth, lots of practice variety, live instruction, or a more traditional full-service prep package. SALT is strongest for candidates who want simplicity. It can also make sense as a supplemental tool if you already have a core prep method and you want a cleaner way to review, practice, and stay on track. Bottom line, pick SALT Solutions if you want a streamlined CFA study experience with shorter lessons, targeted practice, and a cleaner platform. Finally, we have Mark Meldrum. Mark Meldrum's CFA prep is best for candidates who really like lectures, and I mean that in the best way possible. Some candidates learn by reading, some learn by practice questions, some learn by watching someone work through the material slowly and thoroughly, almost like a university course. That's Mark Meldrum's lane, okay? From my research, the lecture style seems detailed, academic, and methodical. This is not the slickest platform on the list, and it's not trying to be. The main value is the instruction. So if you want someone to walk you through learning outcome statements in a careful, professor-like way, Mark Meldrum is a strong fit. The course also offers different package options, including self-study and instructor-led options, with applied analysis available in some tiers. That applied analysis piece is interesting because it can help connect curriculum topics to real finance work. For candidates who just don't want to pass but also want deeper understanding, that can make a difference. The mock exams and question tools are also helpful, but again, they don't seem as strong as the competition. The reason to choose Mark Meldrum is the teaching style. The downside is that the platform feels more old school than UWorld, SALT, or Schweser. So if you care about a modern dashboard, adaptive study flow, sleek mobile tools, or a more polished interface, Mark Meldrum may feel clunky. It's also lecture heavy, which is not ideal for everyone. A detailed lecture can be exactly what one candidate needs and exactly what another candidate avoids. So just be honest with yourself and how you actually learn, because the right course isn't the one that sounds impressive, it's the one you'll actually use. Bottom line, pick Mark Meldrum if you want deep lecture-driven instruction and an academic teaching style. How I'd choose between these CFA prep courses. Now that we've covered all 5, let's make the decision simple. Pick UWorld for the best overall CFA prep experience. It's polished, mobile-friendly, and especially strong if you want excellent practice questions and explanations. Pick AnalystPrep for value, videos, and long-term access. It's a great option for self-motivated candidates who want strong learning tools without paying top-tier prices. Pick Kaplan Schweser for comprehensive coverage. This is the premium all-in-one option for candidates who want structure, a trusted brand, and a deep set of resources. Pick SALT Solutions for streamlined studying. It's a good fit for candidates who want shorter lessons, simple tools, and less clutter. Pick Mark Meldrum for lecture-driven learning. It's strongest for candidates who want detailed explanations and a more academic teaching style. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake candidates make when choosing a CFA prep course. They pick based on what sounds impressive instead of what matches their habits. A huge QBank sounds great, but do you actually learn through practice? Live classes sound great, but will you attend them? A minimalist course sounds great, but do you need more structure than that? Lecture-heavy prep sounds great, but do you actually watch long lectures? The best CFA prep course is not the one with the longest feature list. It's the one that helps you study consistently for months, because that's the real battle with the CFA exam. It's not just intelligence, it's endurance and schedule control. It's coming home tired and still doing 30 questions. It's reviewing mistakes when your ego would rather pretend they didn't happen. It's building enough repetition that formulas, ethics rules, valuation, concepts, portfolio ideas, and financial statement details start to stick. So before you buy, ask yourself a few honest questions. Do you need structure, or can you build your own plan? Do you learn better from videos, notes, or practice questions? Do you need mobile access because you study in short windows? Do you need live support or instructor help? Do you want a comprehensive package, or will that overwhelm you? Do you want lifetime access because you're thinking about all 3 levels? Do you need strong mock exams because test day simulation matters to you? And maybe most important, which course will you actually open every week? Because buying a CFA prep course is not the same as using it. My final verdict is that UWorld is the best CFA prep course overall for most candidates. It gives you a strong QBank, clear explanations, a modern platform, mobile-friendly tools, and enough flexibility to fit different study styles. But the right choice depends on the candidate. AnalystPrep is a smart pick for affordable video-based prep and long-term access. Kaplan Schweser is the best fit for candidates who want the most complete package. SALT Solutions is ideal for streamlined, less overwhelming study experience, and Mark Meldrum is a strong choice for candidates who want deep lectures and detailed teaching. The CFA journey is already demanding. Your prep course should make it clearer, not harder. So pick the course that matches how you actually study, build a realistic schedule, and then get to work. Because passing the CFA exam isn't about finding the perfect course and hoping it carries you. It's about choosing the right tools, using them consistently, and having the resilience and grit to hang in there and keep improving. For more CFA exam tips, finance career advice, and certification breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe. We post every day.